Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best HP 67XL ink is probably one of the most reliable and cost-effective printing solutions available today. Whether you're printing documents for work, school projects, or even high-quality photos, this ink cartridge delivers exceptional results. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the HP 67XL ink, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your printing needs. Number 5. Valuetoner HP 67XL Ink Cartridges 2-pack. Introducing the Valuetoner 67XL Ink Cartridges, a perfect replacement for your HP printer. This combo pack includes both black and color cartridges. They are designed to deliver exceptional print quality. These cartridges feature newly upgraded chips for enhanced performance. Each cartridge has undergone strict quality testing. This ensures 100% compatibility with your printer. You'll receive a 2-pack of remanufactured ink cartridges. This includes both a black and a color cartridge. They are ready to install and start printing. Get more from your printing with high page yields. The black cartridge yields up to 705 pages, and the color cartridge yields up to 455 pages. It offers great value and efficiency. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet and NV printers. This includes DeskJet 2800, 2700, 4100 series, and NV 6000 6400 series. It's a versatile choice for many users. Enjoy vibrant and long-lasting prints with these cartridges. They are made with high-grade, harmless ink and durable components. Trusted to protect your printer while providing reliable results. What we like. This ink boasts newly upgraded chips, ensuring seamless printer compatibility. The high page yield means fewer replacements and more printing. If you have a busy office or print frequently, this is a great option. It offers reliable performance and excellent value. What people say. The ink cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The ink lasts a long time. Number 4. H&BO TOPMAE 67XL Ink Cartridge Replacement. This ink cartridge is designed for a wide range of HP printers. It works with NV 6000, 6400 series, and DeskJet 2700, 4100 series printers. This ensures you can easily find a compatible printer for it. The package includes 2 remanufactured ink cartridges. You'll receive one black 67XL cartridge and one Tri-Color 67XL cartridge. It's a convenient set to meet your printing needs. Get a high page yield with this cartridge. It can print approximately 625 pages for black and 475 pages for color at 5% coverage. This allows you to print more before needing a replacement. The cartridges undergo strict quality control. They are tested to ensure high-quality printouts and accurate ink levels. It guarantees clear and reliable prints every time. We are always here to help you with your printing needs. Whether you're printing documents, reports, or graphics, this product is designed to meet your needs. We are committed to providing excellent service. What we like. These remanufactured cartridges provide high-quality printouts and accurate ink level indicators. The cartridges are strictly tested to ensure performance. If you are looking for an eco-friendly option without compromising quality, consider this. It's a reliable choice for everyday printing needs. What people say. They are of very high quality, easy to install and print perfect. Arrived well packed, and the printer recognized the cartridges just fine. I really like these ink cartridges. They are much higher quality than those I was given when I purchased my new printer. Number 3. HP 67XL Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. This is a combo pack of black and color ink cartridges. It is designed to replace your existing HP 67 ink cartridges. This combo pack ensures you have both colors ready for printing. Inside the box, you'll find a combo pack with both black and color ink cartridges. This provides everything you need to get started. The pack includes 2 cartridges, one black and one color. The black ink cartridge can print up to 600 pages, while the color cartridge yields around 450 pages. This means it offers a good amount of printing before needing a replacement. The high yield ensures you can print more. This ink is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet and NV printers. It works with models like DeskJet 2755E, 4155E, and NV 6055E. Make sure it fits your printer model. The cartridges come with the latest intelligent chips for perfect compatibility. This ensures the printer recognizes the cartridge and functions correctly. The chip provides a seamless printing experience. What we like. Equipped with the latest intelligent chips, this ink ensures perfect compatibility with your printer. The high page yield means you can print more before needing a replacement. If you value both quality and quantity, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who need reliable, high-volume printing. What people say. The ink cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The ink lasts a long time. Number 2. HP 67XL Tri-Color Ink Cartridge 2-pack. Are you tired of faded prints? This is the HP 67XL Tri-Color Ink Cartridge, designed for vibrant and long-lasting color. It's the perfect solution for all your printing needs. This ink cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet and NV printers. It works seamlessly with many models, ensuring a hassle-free printing experience. Check the list to see if it fits your printer. Get more out of every cartridge. This high-yield ink cartridge allows you to print up to 460 pages. It offers great value and reduces the frequency of replacements. Installing this cartridge is a breeze. It comes with an upgraded chip and is filled with premium ink. You can enjoy clear, bright, and vibrant prints without any smearing. Experience the difference with every print. This ink cartridge delivers exceptional color quality and clarity. It ensures your documents and photos look their best. What we like. This high-yield Tri-Color ink cartridge offers a vibrant printing effect. It's also easy to recognize and install. If you want to produce colorful documents and photos with ease, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for those who want hassle-free, high-quality color prints. What people say. The ink cartridge was easy to install. The printer recognized the new cartridge immediately. The print quality is excellent. Number 1. HP 67XL Tri-Color Ink Cartridge. This HP ink cartridge is engineered to work seamlessly with your printer. It delivers consistent quality, ensuring your prints are always clear and vibrant. You can rely on it for all your printing needs. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP DeskJet and NV printers. It works with models from the 1255, 2700, 4100, 6000, and 6400 series. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. Get more from your cartridge with its high-yield design. It allows you to print approximately 200 pages. This means fewer replacements and more printing without interruption. Choose the cartridge you can trust to avoid frustrating reprints and wasted supplies. It ensures your prints come out right the first time. This saves you time and resources. HP is committed to sustainability. The company has kept over 2,300 metric tons of plastic out of our world's oceans. This cartridge is an eco-friendly choice for your printing needs. Inside the box, you'll find one new HP 67XL Tri-Color high-yield ink cartridge. It's ready to install and get you printing right away. Enjoy the quality and value this cartridge provides. What we like. This HP ink is engineered to deliver consistent quality, reliability, and value. It is also eco-friendly. If you value brand trust and environmental responsibility, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and sustainable printing solution. What people say. The print quality is simply outstanding. The colors are vibrant, rich, and true to life, making my printouts look professional and eye-catching. Even after printing hundreds of pages, the quality remains consistent and sharp. The page yield is incredible. This high-yield cartridge has lasted me significantly longer than the standard cartridges, saving me a considerable amount of money in the long run. Compatibility was a non-issue, as this cartridge worked flawlessly with my HP DeskJet 4100 series printer right out of the box. No fiddling or adjustments were required, it was a seamless plug-and-play experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.